We're here in Coffs Harbour and I am a full-time physio here. Coffs is a really great place to come for your placement.
We can go on walks and we can go explore and, go ice skating at the Big Banana or go to Promised Lands or Scouts Falls, things like that.
It's an adventure playground here. We literally have it all on our doorstep pretty much here.
And with the Department of Rural Health being here in Coffs, it's made the whole experience just so much better.
They offer us really great accommodation just on the shores of Park Beach.
And they always had resources, they always had the time.
They have supervisors that are here to help. There's always someone we can go to and chat to if we have any issues. You can't go anywhere without knowing someone's face or going out for dinner and running into someone you know.
And I've already started a community swim group called Sortie Dips. And it's basically just a group where we go for a swim and grab a coffee, kind of promoting mental health, supporting each other and having a chat. And the first week, I think we had one person come, and now we regularly get like over 20. I think the people you find out here are people you'll stick with for the rest of your life.
I think it's so great to do rural placements. I think when you're learning, it's good to have more of a generalised look at a bit of everything. In bigger hospitals, there's a tendency to be forgotten as a student. In a smaller rural hospital, you do feel a little bit more nurtured and people take the time a little bit more to teach you.
Been here for 6 months now, working as a full-time physio. Absolutely loving it. Just the whole clientele I get to work with is so diverse. You're meeting your patients in the street, out on the surf, just going for walks and stuff. So yeah, you feel really connected with your community here. Being able to make a difference and get others to return to those same things that I actually really enjoy is really, really special to me. For anyone who's considering doing a Department of Rural Health placement, I just say give it a go because honestly, it's made a really big difference in my life. It's all waiting here for you and the uni just makes it such an easy process to get here and they support you along the whole way with it.